The NB Network with Dee's Fodder.
Hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Today, oh my goodness, we are going to do BoxyCharm. I had some issues last month with the Lux. It didn't even come close to the amount of money that they promised me, and Boxy's never gotten back to me about it. So I'm pretty much thinking of canceling. But I want to see, possibly, what they've got here. Because who knows, might be good. I don't remember what I picked. So yeah, I have no idea what I did pick, but we'll figure this out, right? So without further ado, let's go. Hey, I'm back. We're gonna talk BoxyCharm. Now this is just their base box. I stopped getting the premium because I didn't think I was getting my money's worth. So I'm not sure if I'm ever going to go back and get the premium. But when it comes to our these BoxyCharm boxes, you get five full-size items. You get to choose one, which they kind of give you an option based pretty much on a beauty and makeup survey that you take. Please update your survey every month if you want, so you can make sure you're getting a more variety or getting less some and more of other items. The surveys do really do affect. I've noticed if I lax on the survey, I'll start getting an incoming rush of a bunch of things I don't need. Okay, so yeah. I cannot stress enough the importance of the survey to make sure you get that right box. Now, they promise a value of $175 or more, which is really good because you're only paying $25. The value of BoxyCharm is somewhat better than some of the ones where you pay a little less or even pay a little more, because they only will go up to like $100 or $60 I see, but this is $175. So that's why I do keep going back to Boxy, because I like that value. Who doesn't like a good deal, right? This girl does. I don't like paying no full price. I don't like paying no that. My grammar sucked there. Really, it did. And yes, I'm homeschooling those kids right now during quarantine. Never mind. Anyway, I prefer getting a good deal. So let's see if we got a deal. So let's open up contents. Dun, dun, dun. Hello. Guess what I got? My Sharpie pointy object to bust this bitch open. Because what do we do here on the NB Network? We bust the bitch open, right? Bam! Did I really get through the whole thing? I did. That's sharp. Let's just put the cap back on. I don't need to get hurt. All right, so here we go. And as you can see, it's red inside, and red means a base box. Okay, here's little products. Yeah, sneaky peek. And here's their card, and it says sweet treats. How cute. Alrighty, let's see what we've got in here. Okay, so. This is Petite and Pretty, Fully Feathered, Volumizing Mascara. I've never heard of this brand. You know, this mascara. It looks kind of chunky, folks. Nice brush, but looks messy and chunky and thick. Well, it's when you get volumizing, it's going to be a little bit like, you got to like brush it out, all the chunk. I know that's such a pain, but you do get fuller. Like, I'm not wearing a volumizing mascara. I'm wearing Pat McGrath. And so it looks nice, but it's not. When I put on a volumizing one, like what I get from Tarte, it's like, bam, you see my lashes more. And I don't have lashes, so I will try this. I'm a little skeptic. It says dermatologist approved. Sorry. That's just a little cheesy. This mascara, let's see here, is $16. And it's supposed to be a quick, dry formula, and it locks in curls. I don't like it when the lashes go straight out, because they'll flick around your screen. That's another reason why I don't wear false eyelashes, because I have to wear glasses, and it's like... It's not pretty, folks. It's not. Okay, let's see what else is going in here. A vitamin C mask for all skin types. I really don't need this. By Georgette Klinger. And it's $36 to revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in a minute. I have got so many different things like this right now. I don't need it. So I'll probably be giving this away. Even though I'm kind of curious about the brand, I don't know. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. I don't have anything here's a pluck it kit. I don't really have much of lashes. Hypothyroidism thins your hair. You lose hair fast, and so I don't tweeze what I do have. It's like, please let me just have some brow. So that's not really. I don't think I chose that item. That's for sure. But it's $18. It's from Mana Kadar Beauty. It has a slanted tweezer for precise plucking and a one-pointed tweezer to isolate a single hair in a large area. So I don't know who would use this in my family either. I don't. This might be another giveaway. All right, let's see what else I got in here. Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer, Silicone and Cooling Effect. I think this is what I chose. I think this is my chosen thing. I don't remember, but I think this was it. Because it sounded cool to me. It's cute packaging. Can't open it. Okay, there it is. Oh. It's got a rose scent to it. Oh, yeah, it does. Oh. Maybe it's a little too strong for me. I'm going to have to put this back on. Roses, I love roses. I have rose bushes out front, and we're going to be putting some more in, and I'm excited. And when they bloom, it smells. I like going and smelling them. This is really strong. I don't know if my face could handle it. Might have to say goodbye to this one, too. So, this box is a hit. And this primer is $32. Now, the last thing in here, Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette, a special edition palette created exclusively for BoxyCharm. And from what I can see, it's got, if this is the palette I saw that someone else unboxed, I'm not impressed. Although I love Natasha Denona. I love their highlighters, their, and hand eyeshadow. No, this is a pretty one. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, I got a little dusty. Look at the colors. Do you see that? It's like, oh, this one kind of reminds me of, when you have a baby and they poopy in their diapers. Yeah, the other colors I'm okay with. But you get 3 mattes and 2 shimmers. Let me see. Let me swatch this. It feels creamy like Natasha Denona. That is a nice, that's nice. I'll do the poopy color too. Let's do the baby dipper color. Okay, it is pigmented, folks. It's like, hello, I'm here. And the shimmer's nice. I gotta wash all this off. The one color is like all over my hand now. That's like, ah. So, get this. At least today I'm prepared and have the wipes very handy. Woohoo! Yeah. Okay, so we'll swatch 2 more. Okay, let me dry my hand off. Okay. I like it. This taupe is like everything to me. I love that. This shimmer is a little different, but you know, I'll go with it. I'll go with the flow. Ooh, that is really kind of nice. Okay. So, and this item is worth $48. Natasha Denona, I get it. And this is because I have smaller 5. So these are their full size pans, so that's really nice. So okay, I like this. I like. And this isn't the one where I've seen with some really weird colors, so that's good. But I don't know. I gotta see if this is actually all worth it, and if I do get over $175. This doesn't feel like $175 for the products. We'll just, let's wrap things up and we will see. Did we get a deal? Or is it us? Did they steal from us? Check it out. Hi. Yeah. Let's wrap this up. I am so salty right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, BoxyCharm. I even will check your website. It says $175 or more value. Why have you 2 months in a row now not giving me? I'll tell you, it's $150 worth of products I got here, not $175. Don't promise me something and give me something else. And this box sucks. I mean, I am not happy with what I got here from BoxyCharm. I am pissed the fuck off is what I am, folks. Why? No. BoxyCharm? I always say 3 strikes, you're out. You are on strike 2. I am going to be contacting them again. And if I don't hear anything back, folks, something's off. Something's wrong over there in BoxyCharm. And I'm done. I am done. This can't be illegal. Do I have to go to Better Business Bureau, Consumer Advocate, and be like, hey, they're not following up on their and do I have to do something that drastic? Because I will. Tell me what you think. Does this bother you as much as it's bothering me? Am I like overreacting? So that's today's unboxing. Woohoo! Yeah. I will let you know what's going on in a follow-up and probably post on Twitter about it. You and maybe the Facebook group. You can find me there. You can also find me on our new Discord group here. We do talk a lot of true crime and tarot, but we can discuss makeup there too, folks. It's all about the MB Network. I do have one tarot reading that I'm editing and going to post up. It's on the Menendez brothers. I don't know. It's probably already up by the time you see this video. And then the next one I'm going to be doing is on Carol Baskin. Yes. What happened to Don Lewis, her second husband? He's missing. Or is he dead? And who did it? I mean, Joe Exotic, Tiger King here is all certain it's Carol. Was it really her? Find the guy who was doing some shady stuff in Costa Rica. Might have pissed off the wrong people. We don't know. So I want to do a tarot reading and see what I get, okay? And let me know what other tarot readings you want to see, and we'll get them out there for y'all. I love you guys. Please remember, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. I'm trying to be kind to BoxyCharm. That's why I'm going to go to them and be like, fix this for me, please. Alrighty then. I love you. Bye.